Do you own 1/10 of a Bitcoin? Well, if you do, according to CZ, zero point 0.1 Bitcoin may be worth more than the median price of a US home, which is about $420,000. So 0.1 Bitcoin, which is worth about $10,700 as of today, could be worth up to $420,000 according to CZ. Obviously, a very aggressive call out by CZ, but really with the increasing recognizing of Bitcoin as an asset that can be pledged towards mortgage applications, and even more than that, several new corporate treasuries are coming aboard every single day. We have 2 new corporate treasuries that are planning to raise to at least $1 billion. It really doesn't seem that impossible. And if you're a big fan of Coinbase and the Coinbase stock, we talked about this recently on our previous market updates. It really seems to trade with these macro cryptos. When Bitcoin's going up, Ethereum, Solana, Coin has absolutely soared to the highest price since its IPO in 2021. It touched around $380 yesterday. And the big news, they're offering perps coming July 21st. No quarterly expiration date, spot price tracking, embedded leverage, and available 24/7. All on a CFTC regulated US exchange. The market absolutely loved this announcement. If you're following our private community, you know we're big fans of Hype and Hyperliquid, and they really made a name for themselves being one of the leading perps trading platforms. Now Coinbase is getting into the game, and obviously Coinbase stock is soaring. David Sachs, the crypto czar, made a pretty big announcement saying that the month of July might be absolutely awesome for all of crypto communities. And why is that? Because the Genius Bill signing and the Clarity Bill signing is expected to go to Senate and be signed off on. Very big piece of news in the crypto industry. These developments signal significant regulatory progress for the crypto sector, particularly impacting Ethereum and related digital assets. Very excited to see this news come into fruition. I think we're going to have even more bullish headlines coming in July. We got to throw this in the market update. It might not be directly crypto related, but yesterday during an interview, Trump mentioned that President Trump signed a trade deal with China yesterday. There was no official announcement, but once we get an official announcement, once we get some details, and if this is in fact true, I have a feeling both stocks and crypto will start to take off even more. Kraken, one of the world's leading exchanges, made a pretty big announcement, if you ask me, that they're going to be releasing something called Crack, a new global payment app. Extremely big news. We're starting to see this happen more and more. More Web3 exchanges integrating with Web2 products. And when you jump over, you can see introducing Crack, the money app for people who want more ways to pay, more freedom to send, more opportunities to grow, more rewards and money in your pocket. If you're interested, definitely take a look because they're throwing out some very big rewards. If you're part of our private community, or if you're interested in learning more about all things Web3, meme coin related, NFT related, we're just talking about all things crypto related every single day. We have a big announcement. We're big fans of the Pudgy Penguins team, the Pengu meme token, and the CBOE filed the Canary Pengu ETF. You heard it right. With this filing, the Pengu and Pudgy Penguins NFTs ETF becomes only the second meme coin style ETF after Doge, and the first filing with NFTs to enter the SEC's formal review process, joining coins such as Bitcoin, Solana, Ripple, and Doge. And we haven't heard from the other side team for quite some time that made a very big update from Yuga that they're launching Bathroom Blitz, an 8v8 deathmatch game. Meet me at the Clubhouse event featuring 500 people per bubble, the second persistent experience other side outbreak, and a lot more coming soon. This is one of the most popular NFT projects around. We haven't heard a ton from Yuga other than they actually sold some IP rights of some of their major brands, but they're embracing the other side, and they should, because they made a lot of money selling these NFTs and they've been building a new world, a new game, and I do believe that Web3 gaming will absolutely meet its time in this space. Huge news coming out from the other side. I'm excited to see more updates. If you want to learn more about Web3 gaming, NFTs, meme coins, or just learn about crypto and the macro news, check out the link down below. We're talking about all things Web3 every single day. We'll see you soon.